and welcome again. In this session, we are going to discuss about the concept of basic calculations in Excel, basic mathematics calculation. Mostly we see whatever company we are working, whatever profile we are working, on a day-to-day basis, we just use a simple mathematics like plus, minus, multiply, divide, means addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. These are our basic needs, okay, that must be learned by every Excel user. As I said, no matter what profile you are handling, this is like our daily job to perform some addition, some multiplication, and like that. So in this session, we will discuss about those basic things, okay, how to perform those basic mathematics. So if you can see in this sheet, I have to do some kind of calculations here, like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Now, to perform the addition, what I need to do here? I need to add first number plus second number and third number, and I want the total result here. Okay, this is what I need to add it. The three number I need to add, and the resultant should be here. Now, wherever you want result, you have to select the cell and press equal sign. Equal is mandatory to create any formulas in Excel. No equal, no formulas, remember. Equal is mandatory to start with any formulas. Now I press equal, then I will select number 1, I will use plus sign. Number 2, I will use second sign, plus sign again, and number 3. And once you have done this 1 plus 2 plus 3, whatever you want, add, press enter button, okay, to get the result. One more thing you have to remember, and once you have done the enter, simply drag it and you will get the results very easily. Okay. One more thing, what you have to take care of when you're using any formulas, press equal, first number plus second number plus third number. Once you have selected all the number, then do not press outside. If you press outside, then that cell will be selected. The third one or the last one will not be selected. It will not be counted. So remember, after selecting your last value, press enter. Do not select anywhere in your Excel sheet. Otherwise, your formula will not work properly. Enter. And once you have done, you can simply drag it or double click to flash fill. Okay, one more advantage of doing add one. So you can shuffle, means you can add number 1 plus number 2 plus number 3, or you can even do number 3 plus 2 plus 1 or 2 plus 3 plus 1. Anything you can shuffle and it will provide you the same result. Okay. One more last thing about addition, that when we will use this plus symbol to do additions, we have a formula. Then why we are not using formulas? Right. See, if you have only two number to add or maximum 3 numbers to add, you can simply use this plus. No need to learn those formulas. A simple plus minus will help you. Okay. So if you have 2 number or maximum to 3 number, then you can add it by using this plus symbol. But if you have more than 4 number, 3 number, then you normally use the formulas, Excel formulas, that we will discuss in our next sessions. So first one is about addition. Now second one is about the subtraction. Now when you are going to subtract, you have to select the cell. Now you have to decide which cell you want to select. Like in addition, you can select any cell first, means third plus two, second plus first, or second plus first plus second, third. You can use it anyway. But in subtraction, you have to decide that what you need to select first and what you need to select second. This will give you a result in a different way. Like if you see, I have selected this one. Here I got the result in positive number because target is more and actual is less. I got the positive numbers. But what if the target is less and actual is more? It will give you negative. Negative doesn't mean we are in loss. Here the negative, it means you perform more. You can show them in positive also, like minus minus plus, you can show them. Simply by adding one minus sign before that, you can convert them into positive sign. And once you perform it, drag it. So while performing add, you can select any 3 digit. You can reshuffle the cell. But here in subtraction, you are not supposed to do. You have to decide first that this should be first or this should be first. Which need to be subtracted from what? You have to decide. Like subtraction. Just like addition, multiplication will also work same. You can select any number with anyone. Like you can select first multiplied by second or second multiplied by first and simply use the asterisk sign to use multiply. Asterisk sign to multiply and click enter, you will get the result easily. So addition, subtraction, multiplication. And just like I said, we have addition and multiplication work typically same way. Okay, formats are same, almost things are same, rule are same. And same way, the subtraction and division rules are same. Like again, you have to select what you need to select as a divisor and dividend. Which need to be divided from what? Like 1 like equal to 1 divided by 2 or 2 divided by 1. This you have to decide that what we need to select first and second. Once you perform this result, you will get the resultant value. Similar, if the first number is greater than second number, you will get means 1 point something. And if the first number is smaller, then you will get the result in decimal. So like that, we have addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division functions we perform in Excel. A very simple way to understand those logic by using equal sign, and then you can use plus, or you can use minus, or you can use multiply, or you can use the divide sign. Any sign you can use it to perform by pressing and selecting the cell. Right? So I hope it's a very easy topic and very helpful, because this is the only topic that you will use right from the first day till the end of this Excel file and till the end of your career. If you're working in Excel, this is your daily job to do add, subtract, multiply, and divide some numbers. Right? So I hope you like this topic. See you again with some more interesting topic. Okay, till then, thank you.